Corporate governance. Corporate governance refers to the system of rules, practices, and processes through which an organization is directed, controlled, and held accountable. It is a framework that ensures a company operates in a fair, transparent, and ethical manner, balancing the interests of all its stakeholders. Corporate governance encompasses everything from defining the roles and responsibilities of the board of directors to establishing mechanisms for monitoring performance and ensuring compliance with laws and regulations. Core principles. Corporate governance is built on a foundation of core principles, which include accountability, transparency, fairness, and responsibility. Accountability ensures that decision-makers are answerable for their actions to stakeholders. Transparency involves the accurate and timely disclosure of all material information, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions. Fairness is about treating all stakeholders equitably, ensuring that no party is unduly favored. Responsibility involves adhering to ethical practices and compliance with legal obligations, ensuring the long-term sustainability of the organization. Importance of corporate governance. Effective corporate governance is essential for building trust and confidence among stakeholders, which in turn contributes to the stability and growth of organizations and economies. It helps prevent corporate scandals, fraud, and potential insolvency by implementing checks and balances on decision-making. For investors, strong governance ensures that their interests are protected and that management acts in alignment with the organization's goals. Furthermore, good corporate governance promotes operational efficiency, enhances access to capital, and boosts an organization's reputation in the marketplace. Components of corporate governance. The structure of corporate governance typically involves three main components: the board of directors, management, and shareholders. The board of directors is the cornerstone, responsible for strategic oversight, hiring and monitoring executives, and ensuring that the company adheres to governance policies. Management executes the company's strategy while remaining accountable to the board. Shareholders play a role in governance by voting on key matters such as the appointment of board members and approving major strategic initiatives. Together, these components interact to ensure the organization is regulated effectively. Frameworks and models. Corporate governance frameworks vary across regions and industries but often align with globally recognized models such as the Anglo-American, German, or Japanese systems. For example, the Anglo-American model emphasizes shareholder primacy and the separation of ownership and control, while the German model incorporates employee representation on the board. The Japanese model focuses on consensus-based decision-making and the role of corporate networks. Regardless of the model, the goal remains the same: to ensure that the organization is managed in a way that achieves long-term value for all stakeholders. Challenges. Despite its importance, corporate governance faces several challenges. These include conflicts of interest between stakeholders, lack of diversity and independence on boards, inadequate enforcement of governance standards, and balancing short-term profitability with long-term sustainability. Additionally, evolving factors such as digital transformation, cybersecurity risks, and the growing emphasis on environmental, social, and governance considerations have added complexity to corporate governance practices. To summarize, corporate governance is the framework of rules, practices, and processes used to direct and manage organizations ethically and transparently. It ensures accountability, fairness, and responsibility among stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, and the community. By fostering trust, enhancing operational efficiency, and mitigating risks, corporate governance plays a vital role in an organization's long-term sustainability and reputation.